Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to clear history on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android. Then we need to click on your profile in the upper right corner. And click Manage your Google account. And then wait for it to download. After that, click on Data and Privacy. Here, we scroll down to the bottom. You'll find YouTube History. Scroll down. The first thing we click on is right here. And here we can choose how you want your YouTube search history to be cleared. 36 months, 18 months, or 3 months. So you choose 18 months. And then click Save and click Exit. To clear your history, you click on Manage History. And that's where your search history comes up that you last looked at. I click Delete. And delete again. And like that, we can click and delete. Just go ahead and delete. And then we're gonna hit Delete. We choose Delete today, Delete Custom Range, Delete All Time. We select and delete. After that, our profile was able to clear our YouTube search history. If you liked and helped this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.